Welcome back to Chasing Trophies. India have won the series 1-0 against Sri Lanka, but it's not as rosy as we see it because it was a chance for India to make it 2-0, and the 2-0 have been very important in the context of the WTC. यहाँ पे अगर India जीते उन लोग 59 points पे around that they would have been there. Now they're stuck on 51 and a half, 52 points, and they've lost a 6-point margin there because of the draw. And also another problem is India was in a winning position. They scored 500 runs. They had Sri Lanka 170 for 7, and from there they couldn't take the tail out. And the second innings again, they could have got Sri Lanka all out under 100 and chased it down in the first or second session, but that also didn't happen because it was Mr. Sonal came to the party. He scored a tremendous 100, 130. He scored 300s in this series. Incredible batting. He was sweeping, reverse sweeping today. And today, particularly, I had a problem with India's field placement and the captaincy from Shubman Gill. I understand that Mohammad Siraj was slightly injured, so he couldn't bowl at his full pace. But despite that, there were other bowlers there. There are other things that you could have done. You could have been more communicative with your bowlers. He was going and communicating more with the coach rather than his own team. That communication with the coach should be happening in the morning at the team bus or during the warm-up. During the match, I think he needs to be on the field. Even that half an hour or like 15 minutes, whatever it was, he went. I think that was pretty much unnecessary. Opening the umbrella and spacing out the fielders like that, giving them easy single, you're giving the players. So obviously you have to respect your opponents, but itna bhi nahi ki bhai aap piche. Like, he's not Don Bradman or something, right? Even Sachin Tendulkar, Brian Lara used to get out to bowlers. My problem with India is, they treat the first 6 batsmen as normal batters. Soon as the tail comes, whichever batter is batting the tail, they treat that other batter separately. I think you should be at least for like 10, 15 overs trying to get him out too, right? Like, you should have attacking fields.
Yeah.
If he's scoring runs for a long time and it's really painful, then you can change it. But today I thought India was very flat. And yes, you won this series, but this draw will kind of hurt India in the context of the overall thing. Faz is joining as well. Faz, how are you and how do you look at this draw?
Yeah, bhai, I'm a little shocked, honestly. I mean, first of all, for me, like Sonal Dinusha has announced himself in international cricket. India is a top test cricketing nation to this series, if not test cricketing nation as of now. But I think the skid is incredible, bhai. Like, his temperament to play with the tail at this kind of an age, at like a very tender, age where you just entered the market and you're trying to, grab your name and stuff. And Sri Lanka में यार ये निर्दोष चंदेकवेला and दिनेश चंदीमल and ये लोग अभी तक हैं, but इन्हें ऑलरेडी बता दिया कि भाई मैं एक फ्यूचर प्रॉस्पेक्ट हूँ. एंड द वे ही जस्ट इरिटेटेड. आप सोचो भाई, टेल के साथ दे मैनेज टू चेंज द लाइंस ऑफ द बॉलर्स लाइक मानव सूतर, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा. A bowler will only tend to do those negative lines or tend to change his lines when a top level batsman is playing. हाँ भाई चलो ठीक है, जो रूट को आउट करना मुश्किल है, स्टीव स्मिथ को आउट करना मुश्किल है, विराट कोहली. बट ये तो यार बंदे लाइक आपके इसके साथ कौन था पहला, हीरो कुमारा 100 बॉल्स खेल गया आपका. उसके बाद असिता फर्नांडो जिससे आप घस लिए थे, उन्हें तक लाइक अच्छा खासा deliveries, and it was just looking like you were playing some peak test cricket with some peak test batsmen. And it's the shameful thing is like you couldn't get that tail. अब ये प्रॉब्लम हम आइडेंटिफाई अब से नहीं करें. हम एक चेसिंग ट्रॉफी पे आप जाके चेक कर सकते हो. कपल ऑफ डेज वी वे टेस्ट दिस, वी वे टेस्ट इट ऑन द BGT, वी वे टेस्ट दिस, वी वे टेस्ट दिस टाइम एंड अगेन. आई थिंक लाइक यू सेड, शुभमन गिल लुक्ड वेरी. और ये चीज ऑफ नॉट हैविंग अ क्लैरिटी ऑफ डायरेक्शन, ये आज का नहीं मसला भाई. कल से हमारे को दिख रहा है कि भाई प्लान भी कुछ है ही नहीं आपके पास. आप यशस्वी जायसवाल एंड दे आर लाफिंग अबाउट, लाइक आई नो अगेन दिस विल बी लाइक यू कैन लाफ एंड स्टफ, बट एट सम टाइम थोड़ी बेइज्जती की फीलिंग होना चाहिए अंदर से कि भाई कर क्या रहे. Like, what are you doing? We're here, and your percentage in the WTC should have been 57 after the series. We had to take this opportunity to go and irritate Australia. Australia will give it back to us. भाई तुम बांग्लादेश से हार गए, उन्हें बोलेगा भाई तुम तो टेलेंडरम से हारे of the Sri Lankan team. And this is where you got to make sure that you get close to the WTC qualification. And I personally, like, again, with the batting display, I'm happy. Again, there are a few players that could have done better, whatever, it could fit, whatever. But one positive is your number 3 is sorted. That is a good positive for you to have. Bhai, Devdutt Padikkal, standout performer. Secondly, Rishabh Pant is very good space right now. I'm happy for Rishabh Pant. KL Rahul, ठीक है भाई, senior figure अच्छा करा है. When you look at the bowling, I respect Ravindra Jadeja a lot, but he had lacked this series particularly for me. These are his conditions. These are the places where we know that Jadeja can wipe out the tail. He should be a little bit more attacking. I felt Jadeja also was not able to bowl to the Jadeja quality. I'm not just targeting him, don't get him wrong. We'll be coming one by one to everybody, but this was a spinner's place to play. I saw Shubman Gill getting turned. I saw Yashasvi Jaiswal getting turned. So it's difficult for me to understand. Like, is it the pace that you were bowling out? Was the pace too easy for the batsman to wait for it to bounce? Because Lahiro Kumara was following the ball very easily. Then Sonal Dinusha was following the ball very easily. So I mean, there's something that you could do. And secondly, then you have a vice captain, you have a captain, you have all of these things, and you going and outside and you're trying. I understand एक आउटर पर्सपेक्टिव लेना चाह रहे हैं आप गेम का, इट्स फाइन, ड्रिंक्स ब्रेक होता है, उसमें लंच होता है, टी होता है, 2 सेशन थे आपके पास टू प्लान, बट ना तो आप यॉर्क करवाने गए, ना तो आप लोग कुछ ऐसा इंटेंट फुल बिहेवियर नहीं था. इट लुक लाइक अ वेरी चिल डे ऑन फ्राइडे. अपन लोग बचपन में खेलते थे मुस्तफा, इट जस्ट लुक लाइक दैट कि बैटिंग करा रहे हैं और वो बैटिंग करते जा रहे हैं. एंड इट आई एम पिस्ड ऑफ. यस, वी वन द सीरीज, बट आई एम नॉट हैप्पी बिकॉज वी हैव टू बैंक ऑन दिस.
The problem is उन्हें जाके मीटिंग करके वापस आ कुछ बदला नहीं. तो आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड वो मीटिंग हुआ क्या बात करे, राइट? बीच मैच में आप छोड़ के वहां जा रहे, आप सब्स्टिट्यूट फील्डर को अंदर रख रहे हैं एंड आप वापस आए, कुछ बदलाव आया नहीं. तो आपको ये समझ में आना है कि भाई आप कप्तान है, यू हैव टू टेक कंट्रोल. जो भी कोच है उसको बोल दो भाई बाद में बात करेंगे, पहले ये मैच फोकस करने दो, ये मैच जिताने दो मेरे को. कोच वहां से नहीं जिता सकता आपको मैच. एंड मैं कोच पे भी आना चाह रहा हूँ बिकॉज देखो अभी प्री मैच में आके बोले कि we're a team in transition. We haven't done bad in test cricket. We drew a series in England. ये सब गिना रहे, Bangladesh के against, West Indies के against, and all that. But then you have ultimately lost 2 series at home as coach. You've won this series. And that's what he's going to come out and say. He's going to say that we won this series, we won in Sri Lanka. But in the context of the whole picture, this is not good enough. By the way, Faiz, it's not just about, Sri Lanka's quality of spinners. Sri Lanka's actual top order was missing. There was no Chandimal there. There was no Nisanka over there. There was a lot of players who were not there, right? So there was a few players that were missing, and you still did not manage to win. And जब आप ये सवाल पूछेंगे कोच साहब से, तो उन्होंने पलट के बोलेंगे कि भाई नहीं, हम ये सीरीज जीत गए, आपको क्या मालूम, अवे सीरीज है, ये है, वो है, दैट्स माय रिकॉर्ड, ये. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज यू नॉट लुकिंग एट द बिगर पिक्चर एंड द कांस्टेंट प्रॉब्लम्स इन इंडियन क्रिकेट. आई विल टेक द अवे 2-2 still in England. I'll still take that as an achievement. Although we've seen like England against a Pakistan team which doesn't have much bowling, they're like 248 for 9. So, but I'll still take that 2-2. Amazing achievement, no problem.
That is when you were in transition.
Yeah, and you were in transition. But right now, there is no transition, man. You have Mohammad Siraj over there. You've got KL Rahul. You've got Shuman Gill, Rishabh Pant, Ravindra Jadeja. मैं काफी players, प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा भी 2-3 साल तो खेल रहा है cricket. So I don't think it's a team in transition. And it shows the mentality, right, Faiz? Like right now, it looks like you don't want to be blamed. You want to save yourself. You want to save your job. Around you, people are getting shot, but you can't get shot. You have a bulletproof vest, and you're not allowing anybody to criticize you. And आप हमेशा defend कर रहे. You're not... I've never heard him come and say, yes, we didn't play well, it was very poor, it's my fault as well, we need to talk with the team and try and improve.
Yeah, भाई बिल्कुल. एंड अगर आप ओवरली क्रिटिकल एक एंगल से देखो, आप इंडिया के लिए यू हैड 4 बैट्समैन हु परफॉर्म्ड इन द होल थिंग. श्रीलंका, दिस इज द ओनली इनिंग्स in which their top order has performed. Imagine Sri Lanka's top order had performed in a couple of more, we wouldn't have probably won this series. I mean, it's a very extra, like, बाल की खाल खरोद रहे हम लोग फिल वक्त. बट हम स्पेट पर हम क्या बोल रहे थे कि भाई श्रीलंका की अगर टॉप ऑर्डर चल गई एक इनिंग्स में, इंडिया इज गोइंग टू हैव अ टफ टाइम. एंड दैट इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट सूर्य बंदरा डिड और पसिंधु डिड. देन ऊपर से आप अगर देखो, टॉप में 32 मार के उन्हें आउट हुआ आपका कमिली मिश्रा. देन यू हैड कमिंदु मेंडिस हु हैड एन इनक्रेडिबल पार्टनरशिप. देन धनंजय सिल्वा आल्सो थोड़ा बहुत पार्टनरशिप बना दिया. So that is where we have to now question के भाई the ruthlessness of Indian cricket. सर पे चढ़ के हगना है आपको, सर पे चढ़ के पंचा मारना है. सारांश जैन, again, like I said, मेरे लिए I think this is his last test match. He didn't look aggressive. He didn't look like he got frustrated. Okay, but was his lines good? Was his pace good? He kept it very loopy. It looked like भाई ज्यादा कुछ दिख रहा नहीं इनके पास से. I think in hindsight you missed Kuldeep Yadav in this test match. Now I'll be probably saying कि भाई अरे भाई Kuldeep first test match, but he's a much more competitive person, a much more personality who gets pissed off in situation, and you need these kind of players who take a reputation, कि भाई मेरे को निकालना है, नहीं मेरे को कैसा मार रहा. If you remember, like New Zealand test में भी यही हुआ था. He came back well when so I think you need these kind of characters to go into the dressing room. Batting again, I think you're still not in that problem because Dhruv Jurel अच्छा perform करा, Rishabh Pant is a very big positive, Devdutt Padikkal, KL Rahul, चलो Jaiswal was unlucky at times, but the bowling has to start getting ruthless. You're being very casual, and Sri Lanka completely. Yeah, how can people who have an average less than like 20, you know, bat you out an entire day in Colombo? Where your plan, I'm not going to. I think we won't complain about the plan, Mustafa. It was spot on. Kya follow on though, but how are they batting you out an
Yeah,
entire 90 over session?
I agree. Like there was someone today who was arguing with me the whole time about the follow on when we were doing the live, right? And I said, man, chalo, ठीक है. You said you think that you follow नहीं देना था. मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि follow on देना था, ठीक है. But regardless, आप position में थे जीतने का. Follow on अब आगे बढ़ो ना. आप follow वो टाइम पे तो नहीं दिख रहा था कि आप हारने वाले थे ना मैच या ड्रॉ करने वाले थे. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा था. आप जीतने वाले थे. आप या तो बैटिंग करो या फॉलो ऑन करो. इट लुक लाइक यू गोइंग टू विन द गेम. सो यू हैव टू सी व्हाट यू डिड देयर ओवर रॉन्ग. एंड आई थिंक द bowling was pretty poor, the execution was pretty poor, the fielding was pretty poor. And हम कितने बार हम पहले से ही बोल रहे थे कि ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा. पहले टेस्ट मैच से ही बोल रहे थे कि we're not being able to wipe out the tail. And I didn't see anything different. And I just feel that, like, that Sri Lanka's tail, right, number 8, 9, 10, 11, they played over 300 balls, close to 300 balls, 292, 293 deliveries. That is too much, man. You're not sure. And मैं सोनल को नहीं रख रहा उसमें, धनुषा को नहीं रख रहा उसमें. I'm talking about the other players. उन्हें खुद 700 बॉल खेल दिया. या उन लोग है यार, उन्हें तो आके उनका नंबर लहीरू आके 100 बॉल खेल ले रहा है. इन्हें आके 80 बॉल खेल ले रहा. इवन अशिता फर्नांडो एंड में उन्हें 10-15 बॉल खेल लिया. उसको भी आउट नहीं करे आप ऑल आउट करे नहीं श्रीलंका को. उन लोग 400 मारे लास्ट इनिंग में. फिर आप वो तस्वीर देखे गौतम गंभीर और सुधांशु कोटक उन लोग जाके हमारे सुभान दा डाले थे ट्विटर पे. मैं देख रहा था उन्होंने कंप्लेन करे ये क्या पिच क्यूरेटर को. यार ये क्या बात हुई. पिच को क्या था. आप अपना आप अपना देखो. Like, you should be winning on any type of pitch. That's what it is. And this is not that strong of a Sri Lankan team. Like you said, why are they not scoring runs at the top order? Because Sri Lanka's top order is not existent. They don't have the main top order players, and you're still struggling. So I think it is very poor. This match, first match, India played well. They had the problems there, but we could see the problems developing. That's why sometimes we panicked, right? In the first test, I remember you kept telling me we can't get the tail out, and this is what happened now in this test match. We couldn't get them out.
And people were saying like it's the wrong plan. Yeah, the wicket was difficult. They needed to make after getting out on 290 Mustafa, they needed to make about 215 runs, right? 215 बनाए के टाइम पे 218 पे they had already lost 6 wickets in Sri Lanka. They had lost 5 or 6 wickets. Nidoshan Dickwella bhi I think out हो गए थे, and you had 4 wickets. 150 run partnership between Sonal Dhanusha and Keshara, that bowler.
Yeah.
How is that like? That doesn't make practical sense. And if you're telling me if you have 4 wickets against a Sri Lankan tail who is leading by 3 and has only 4 wickets, is going on to bat 90 overs, then you have some serious problems in your testing.
Yeah, and अगर आप पिच को ब्लेम करें तो आप पहले 7 विकेट इतना जल्दी कैसा ले लिए पहले इनिंग में. तब तो आप पिच को ब्लेम नहीं कर रहे.
हमेशा का ये हो जा रहा है कि भाई आप ओपनर्स में कुछ अलग मेंटालिटी है आपकी. टेलेंडर्स को लेके क्यों कैजुअलनेस है. How is a Kishara batting much better than like someone in an Indian sense? Shubman Gill से ज्यादा रन है भाई उसके.
Yeah, and that's true. Like there are things to worry about, but end of the day, it is a victory for India in terms of the series. The reason why we are panicking because the WTC doesn't look good right now. It looks very tough for India to get into the final. Of New Zealand ka series hai away. That's India's next test assignment, and the build up to that, me and Faiz will do it in the next few months. There's also the West Indies series coming up. There is the Asian Games, but the next test assignment will be the New Zealand one, and we'll be keeping a close eye on that as well, despite the timings and everything. Thank you for joining. We'll do a few more discussions on Indian cricket as the week progresses. We have a bit of a break now, so we can just analyze a few
then
things.
You have a T20 Afghanistan, then the Asian game, and the West Indies back to red ball cricket.
Yeah, then we're back to red ball. So we have a few weeks where we'll discuss things, we'll look at things. I'm sure there's going to be some news spreading. There'll be obviously IPL news coming as well, so we'll discuss that throughout the week. Do join us for that. Thank you first for joining. Hit the like button, subscribe button, and stay tuned to Chasing Trophies. Take care, everybody. See you in the next episode.